Hello silly bakers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. Today we're making something called a brookie. What is a brookie? A brookie is a combination of a brownie and a chocolate chip cookie in one. And these are healthy. Healthy in the sense that we're using nut butter, we're using coconut sugar, we're using almond flour, we're using eggs, vanilla, some basic ingredients that I would say most of you probably already have in your pantry. I used almond butter for this recipe, but I will definitely use peanut butter next time because I love chocolate and peanut butter together. But I tried it with the almond butter because I had some, and they are so delicious. I highly recommend. I brought these over to our friends over the weekend and they just couldn't stop ranting and raving about it. So I was really happy about that. I had 2 pieces last night. I had 2 pieces. I love chocolate. You guys know I love chocolate desserts. I love lemon desserts more, but when there's something like this in my fridge, I'm going after it. The brownie portion, so the bottom portion, I would say is a combination or tastes like a combination of a brownie and a boxed chocolate cake. That's what it tastes like. It is extraordinary. I highly recommend that you make these. Simple to do. We're making 2 different batters, but again, really simple to make. Not in the oven very long, and I actually stick them in my fridge after, but you can probably leave them at room temperature for a day, maybe 2, but I just like to leave things in the fridge just to make sure that they don't spoil. So please make these. Try whatever nut butter that you love, but I highly recommend either the almond butter or the peanut butter, and get back to me on it because these are going to be something that you're going to make for friends and family, for yourself, on repeat. So before we get to this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on our new videos. And don't forget to share with your friends and family. So let's learn how to make these incredible healthy brookies. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to grease and line an 8x8 baking pan. Let's make our brownie batter. I'm going to grab a medium to large bowl, and we are going to add a 1/3 cup of melted butter. I brown my butter. You don't have to. You can also use coconut oil for the recipe. 1/3 cup of almond butter. Any nut or seed butter should work here. We're going to give that a mix. We're going to add 1 large egg. A flax egg should work for this recipe. 1/3 cup of coconut sugar. You can use any sugar you like. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, good quality. And we're going to give that a whisk. Just until everything's incorporated. We're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of espresso powder, which is optional, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to give that a good mix. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of almond flour. You could also use oat flour for the recipe. 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. And a 1/4 cup of milk. Any milk, I'm using soy milk here. And using a spoon or a spatula, we're just going to mix the ingredients until it is just combined. Now I'm going to transfer this batter to our baking dish. We're just going to spread it out in an even layer from corner to corner. They will spread in the oven. And we're going to set this aside and make our cookie dough. Using a medium bowl, you can also wash out the last bowl. We're gonna add 1/3 cup of butter. Again, this is brown butter. 1/4 cup of almond butter. We're gonna give that a whisk. One large egg. 1/3 cup of coconut sugar, any sugar you like. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're just going to give this a whisk. Three-quarters of a teaspoon of baking soda. We're just going to give that a whisk also. Three-quarters of a cup of almond flour or oat flour. And I'm using mini chocolate chips today. I'm using about 1/2 cup. If you're going to use regular chocolate chips, you could go up to 3/4 of a cup and use any chocolate chips that you love. And using a spatula or spoon, we're just going to mix this until it's just combined. Using an ice cream scoop, we're going to scoop the cookie dough onto the brownie batter. I like to expose some of the brownie just so you can see both after it's baked. We're going to bake this at 350 for 24 to 26 minutes until toothpick comes out clean. Enjoy these healthy brookies. If you love chocolate chip cookies and brownies, you will absolutely love this recipe. It is so, so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes, and don't forget to click on that notification bell. I will include the information on the recipe in the description box as well as in the comment section. And don't forget, our Full of Goodness e-cookbook is now available. I will leave a link in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy baking.